Okay, this is the Garden View Suite Deluxe. Typical. I don't know what that window is there for. We come in the main room. There's my golf bag, some clothes. The bed, it's alright. A little closet. We should have a little safe over here on this side. No safe. Let's check behind the mirror. There it is. You got the 2 beach towels with the robes. You can change your beach towels every 2 days. Go to the front, you got a nice little TV. Some little fancy artwork on the wall. Picture. Little mini bar. Then we come out to the view of the garden suite. Open the door. Goes all the way down. Hello. Let's see, walking on fine grass. And we have the beach right there in front of us. It goes all the way up to the other side of the hotel. Fantastic.